Hey guys, welcome back. And it is our Beachbody On Demand March update. So, how have I been doing on my Beachbody On Demand? I haven't been doing, guys, I injured my foot. Can you believe it? I injured my foot about halfway through February, and I was feeling fine. I did my pio as normal, and I woke up the next morning, maybe about 4 o'clock in the morning, just like in pain, serious pain in my foot. I don't know what happened, and I tried to go the rest route and see, after a couple of days of rest, maybe my foot would be better. Well, needless to say, guys, we have 1 week left in March, and guess what? I am still wearing a brace on my foot. So this is week 7 that I have been in an ankle stabilizer on my foot. I am actually able to walk now. In this last week, I'm able to walk without my stabilizer. But if I try to do any type of like running up the stairs or put that type of like bounding pressure on my foot, I would still be in a lot of pain. So my goal actually is to give it 1 more week of rest. And come April 1st, no April Fool's joke, guys, my desire is to slowly but surely get back into Pio. Now, with all of that being said, can I just tell you, I love Pio. I was going back and forth between doing Pio in the 21-day fix, I think that's the name of it, and I'm so glad I didn't. My body has gone through a lot of health issues over maybe the last 10 years. I don't think my body would have been at a place to handle the intensity of the 21-day fix. And so with PIO being a low intensity, low impact workout, it's just what my body needed. And I have to tell you guys, I have been seeing results. Even though I've only been able to work out, what, 2 times in the last 7 weeks, guys? Can I tell you that the progress from January to mid-February is still holding strong? Every single pair of pants that I own, every single pair of pants that I own are now too big for me. I absolutely have to have a belt. So if you're behind me and I have to bend over, I am sorry in advance, but I have to tell you, it feels so good to know that clothes that was tight on me in December now are too big for me in March. So even though again I haven't been able to be as active as I desire to be, I am maintaining my diet. I am still watchful of the things that I eat and I drink, and I don't starve myself by any stretch of the imagination, but I'm excited, guys. I'm excited. I've lost, I want to say probably about 5 or 6 inches. I know you'll see the chart at the end and it'll say 10 inches lost. And I mismeasured from the beginning. So my chest measurements, I didn't lose that much across the chest. But I will tell you, I have lost because my bras that were too tight now fit better. And I can wear them longer without feeling like I need to be freed from these shackles. It just feels so good. Um, I've had people tell me, oh my gosh, you're losing weight. Yes, indeed. Yes, I am. And it feels good, guys. So, in any event, that's where I am at. I am looking for a fresh start come April 1st. And, guys, I am so excited. I have a 2 piece. I am so ready to rock it. And I'm really glad that I decided to make this change for me. Like, this is not okay, once I get down to this size and then I'm going to stop. Like, for me, this is truly a lifestyle change, and I want to stay this way, from henceforth now and forevermore. And so I'm glad I decided that I was worth it, that I was worth being healthy, I was worth being happy for, I was worth letting go of the extra pounds, letting go of the bad habits that have been holding me back for so long. And so that's my encouragement to you guys. If you're looking at starting a workout regimen, obviously you have to do it for yourself. You have to be your main motivator for it. But, find what works for you, and make sure that it's not a diet, but a lifestyle change, guys. And you can do it. I still got a long way to go, but I am so excited and I cannot wait to get back into working out, guys. So, y'all know the drill. I will see you guys in the next update. All right, bye.